and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might. Sun City, Sun City, shine your light.
Listen, brethren, the university is the microcosm of the world, the whole being bigger than the unit. Nevertheless, the cardinal goal is to develop the individual who will epitomize the saying, salt for a thirsty land. For the proper functioning of this university, there must be a meeting of minds, not only in the classroom, but in the socio-political arena as well. Therein lies the job of the Student Representative Council, the SRC, which serves as a bridge between the students and the university administration. A bridge of positives. A bridge where trust, give and take, and constructive progress shall be free. To lead the SRC, one must be a unique individual, full of skill and aptitude, but above all, a patriot. I believe I am he. I believe I am such individual.
Like that? I am so surprised. I thought Sharon said she was too big for the campus guys.
Oh, this shameless opportunist. What wouldn't she do? But you know, I hear they got connected during the holidays in New York.
How romantic. I hope she settles down now.
Eh? This greedy witch. And it's Joe I'm sorry for. Eh? Such a nice guy. Oh, and I wonder why he would go in for such a rag.
Hey, bear your sister. Aren't you being a little bit too hard?
Okay. Maybe Leroy is something where you go. Our father. The guy looks foolish. But I go be wrong. You get some foolish boy.
Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City.
Excuse me, can I use the...
Oh, no. No, no problem. Thank you.
I have some candies. Do you want any?
Oh, no. Oh, thank you. Aren't you a darling?
Hello, everybody. Hello. How was your holidays?
Very nice.
Well, we are back to the serious business of economics. I have nothing to offer you but blood, toil, tears, and sweat. Who said that?
Churchill, sir. Sir Winston Churchill.
You're right. Now let's try this other one. Man by nature is a political animal. Yes.
Aristotle.
Wow, look at that. I'm in the company of scholars. I'm going to give out this scheme of work and list of references. And I'll give you 10 minutes, Shay, to have a quick look at it. And then I will...
That's my name. Professor Abednego Tete Ashong. Respond present to your name. Teddy Bodo.
Present.
John Bala.
Buaila, I'm around.
Respond present. John Boyla.
Buaila. Present, sir.
I am not sir. I am Professor Abednego Tete Ashong. Is that right?
Yep.
You want to be stubborn? Godfred Ayango.
Present.
Ivy Ganaba.
Present.
So, it is you people who have decided to try your hands on analytical statistics, eh? I promise you, half of you will fail. I will need a receipt, and a quarter will abandon the program midstream.
How? If you go.
Yes. Why? Have you lost your tongue? Yes. Let me tell you, the current finance minister sat right here, for 5 solid years before I gave it to him. Yes. This brings me to my cardinal rule number 1. Only one person will speak at a time in this lecture room. It can either be me or one of you whom I have called. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you not human beings? Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, what are you doing there?
Sir, I was telling her something.
Walk out!
Oh, sir.
Walk out! You are sacked! I say walk out! What did you say your name is?
Sir, Samuel Agobina.
You are dismissed! Out! I told you. You will be going one by one. Any questions?
What an invigorating lecture. Doctor, reads my mind.
All the rest just like that.
Oh,
Yeah, man.
be realistic, girl. You can't have them the same. I mean, they're all not the same.
Yeah, wait.
They can't.
Hey. Hey, you. Madam.
Why can't you just leave the sister alone? You know, sometimes you make me feel as if you secretly admire her.
But tell me, why do you always say things like that? Eh? Well, that will be over my dead body. And is that the kind of life you think I admire? Please.
Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City.
Like your headmaster. Bush.
Charlie, you guys, you see the results for the notice board.
Look.
Bombing and blowing galore. A mark of industry and the payment for laxity.
Anyway, you know the inside. If you saw you talk like that.
Make you no mind now. Actually, me, I throw one paper out.
But you said the receipt was cool, right?
That one is smooth, you know what I'm saying?
So how about those who trail 4 and 5 papers? Come on, they should be home by this time. Malo. Malo, no trail.
You just say here this I don't go for.
Boss, if I know the mind.
On the other side of the totem, Charlie, is the first class material. 85% cumulative average. That's the best.
The Percy, the Percy.
It even gets better. Haven't you guys heard about Jonathan Jeblin?
What about?
You haven't heard? I've not. He's gone to MIT. Full scholarship to Massachusetts Institute of Technology. The cradle of modern science. My dream.
That guy is bloody lucky, man.
Look, it had nothing to do with luck. That guy used to study. Man, it was standard to see him around 2 a.m. with his legs in water, studying.
It is no secret, man. It is only hard work that begets success. Though he was boring sometimes.
Jokes aside, that guy was a focused individual, man. Sure. One track mind, purely on academics. I mean, I'm sure he's gonna be a star one day. We just pray the Americans don't keep him forever.
Man. What you had there?
I got something for you.
Thank you.
Call it, dear.
Hey, who you calling?
Sharon.
Why don't you go home with me? Spend the night, have some fun, you know. I want to treat you like a queen tonight.
Sweetheart, I told you I have an assignment to do. You know.
But you can do it in my house. I can help you, you know.
Yes, I know, but I have to consult my friends, do some research, and 1,000 little things. Just call me when you come back from Canada, okay?
Okay. Who's on the line? Are you not picking it?
Oh, it's just my roommate, AC, calling to find out what's up, you know.
I really hope so.
Call me!
Right, bye-bye.
Bye!
Take care.
Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City.
Darling!
Hi, baby. I've missed you.
What have you been doing with yourself?
The usual. Just missing you. Where have you been?
Oh, yeah, I just popped into town to buy a few things. Have you eaten?
No. I'm just sitting here having some Nescafe with the boys.
Good! Did I get us Chinese? How about that? And wine?
Sure, I would love that. But you know it's you I really want.
Okay. What kind of wine do you like, honey? Great. I'll be in my room in 30 minutes. Yes. Will you come over, sweet apple?
Okay. My baby. Bye.
Bye, baby. My baby.
Eat the beat, the beat again.
Master, so what's the plan?
I guess I have to be leaving. She's waiting for me in her room. And I guess I have to go because she's waiting for me. I have to leave very soon.
Relax,
small. Eat the meat. Charlie, you guys. Run. I run. One time. Run. Eat the beat. Eat the beat. You can protect. Oh, watch out.
You're so naughty.
I really wish this could last forever. You're so sweet.
Thank you. And you are welcome anytime.
Let me ask you something. Be really honest.
Okay.
What would it take to own you?
Naughty. That's what you do. I'm a very jealous woman, you know.
So?
Would you give up your freedom to own me?
Yes, I can. I will. I'll do anything, absolutely anything.
Are you sure?
Try me.
Now that was just a tease. If you work hard, there'll be more.
Okay, I'll work hard.
Now drink.
Alright. Toast. To our love.
Our love.
Thank you.
Suzanne. Who's that?
She's a course mate.
A female coursemate calling at this time of the night, 10:30 p.m.
Sure, she's just calling to find out about some assignment or something. Can I take one call? Thank you. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Sorry, but I don't share, okay? And tell those female course-mates of yours not to call you when you're with me.
You are so hot, man. You're so hot.
Only for the things I like. You ain't seen nothing yet.
I like that.
Now, let me get you love.
That would do perfect. You perfect.
Relax. Don't be in a hurry.
I'm not in a hurry. I'm relaxed. I'm real cool. I'm relaxed. So relaxed.
The rabbits are so caught in the net.
A long way from home.
Cacophony, you. That's what you. Oh yes, you brought it. Good. Just make sure we don't empty it and you bring another one. Okay. Right temperature.
Yeah, right. Thank you, Bob.
No. I mean, the way you're even going about it. Look, these days you can't trust the meat.
This is good. Why am I saying so? Because you know I'm serving on the university medical and hygiene board.
Oh, I see.
And we've decreed that only meat served on this campus must come from the university farm.
Oh, that's good.
Or must be certified wholesome.
But I mean, hey, how do you ensure that?
We've asked that they bring the meat onto the university premises.
Wow, that's very innovative, eh? But anyway, are you sure that you're not abusing anybody's rights?
No, we're not trampling on anybody's rights. Listen, what we are saying is that if you can't help us to ensure that wholesome meat is eaten on this campus, then we can do business with you.
Very good measure, huh?
Yeah.
I just wish that this can be employed in the wider society. See, these days there's so many dangers with regards to food, eh?
Listen, it's just a matter of systems, you know. All you have to do is try them, implement them to the very letter.
Well, easier said than done. So many vested interests there that work to impede the system.
So how come it's worked in other places? Just means that we're not trying hard enough.
I concur to that.
Young man, can I join you?
Prof, please. You're welcome.
Thank you. I came back last weekend. I started lectures today.
It means that you haven't met Sly yet. Well, Sly, this is Prof. Tete. Prof, please meet Dr. Sylvester Agri.
So, it's you who's been trying to change everything around here.
Oh, we try.
You better be careful.
Come again.
You are stepping on too many toes. Why? You are not talking to your friend, eh? Don't worry. Ni will talk to you. Excuse me.
Me? Who's this chap?
That is Professor Tete Ashon. He's in my department. See, this is the guy who's been sitting on my doctorate. Look, he's the worst kind of guy you can ever find on this planet Earth. He's very vindictive and greedy. He just came from 2 years sabbatical.
And what the hell was he talking about, me stepping on other people's toes?
Professor Tete is one of the old gang who think they can rule the university. I mean, look, I've been telling you all the time. These are revolutionary ideas. Look, they're just taking roles in different places, eh?
Revolutionary? Listen, the methods I've been talking about have been tried and tested all over the world.
Here, people resist change like a disease, while the world just runs on so rapidly. I mean, see? This is the kind of negative forces that I've been talking to you about all along. The dead wood. They clog the system.
Courage. Courage, brother.
Well,
it's a hard battle ahead. But we are going to fight to the very end.
Yes. Cheers.